The wait is almost over. We have a reveal date for the next generation Civic Type R. We have a teaser trailer and teaser image. Let's go. Here's the official press release from Honda. Camo finally comes off. All new Civic Type R to be revealed on July 20th. I'll be there to give you guys hands-on coverage of the new reveal. Just can't wait. The new most powerful Honda branded production vehicle ever offered in the United States. Okay, because Honda has the NSX and outside the United States, right? So that's the most powerful Honda, but we have it as an Acura here. Anyways, the all-new 23 Honda Civic Type R will make its world premiere July 20th, 7 p.m. Pacific time, so 10 p.m. Eastern time. Launching in the US this fall. Watch the camo finally come off. There's a teaser video which leads us to YouTube. And also notice that they're saying it's the most powerful Honda branded production vehicle ever offered in the US. Going back to, hey, this is actually going to be more powerful. Maybe it's 1 or 2 horsepower, but it will be more powerful than the outgoing Civic Type R. Some people are saying 320 horse over the 306 we have now. We'll see. So here, let's go back to the beginning of this. I'll play this for you guys and I'll be quiet, and then we'll kind of break down what we saw. Okay, so there's one point right here around 21 seconds where they start using like a little flashlight, it seems like, to go over the vehicle. That hood scoop there, look how wide the hood scoop is. If we look at the previous generation Type R, it's like half the size. And this looks like it is more of like a blowhole from a whale or like, I don't know, a dolphin, where the previous scoop was literally like coming up. This is like, I don't know. It's like the complete opposite style of hood scoop, if you know what I mean. It looks like it's like drawing air in instead of like catching it. Hopefully I'm making sense to you guys, but that's pretty exciting. We also have an image here. This is the image that they shared. I brightened it up so we can see a red Honda badge here. That's nothing new because the current Type R has that. And we also have Type R here on the right-hand side, just like we have on the current Type R. Of course, we have the new 11th generation Civic headlights, but the front end looks a lot wider than the 11th generation normal Civic. Obviously, we're going to have widened wheel arches, almost like a factory wide body kit here. It looks like the front end's a lot less messy than the outgoing Type R, though, which is kind of like a praying mantis sort of thing. So we have this little slot here, and it's lining up what we saw with the camouflage version. So I don't think there'll be a lot of surprises with the overall design. I'm okay with that because I like the overall design of the 11th generation Civic over the 10th gen. So it's almost inevitable for the Civic Type R that's based off the 11th generation to be better looking than the last generation Type R based off the 10th gen. Anyways, what do you guys think? Are you excited? I'll see you guys on the 20th for Civic Type R. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. That helps me out immensely. Subscribe for more so you don't miss brand new Honda updates along the way, and Acura as well as Type S. Who knows? There's got to be more Type S's coming. But I got to end it there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Take care.